Hello students, welcome to our lesson number 3 exercise. We have already done question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Today we will start with the question number 6, think and answer, that is HOTS. We have already discussed in the previous 2 lessons that HOTS are the higher order thinking skill questions. Now here question number 6a is, how are the toes of perching birds similar to our fingers and thumb? Children, when we have discussed about the toes of perching bird, we have seen that the perching birds cling the branch of trees firmly with the help of their 3 toes pointing front and 1 at back. They are holding them so firmly that they cannot fall off from the tree even when they are sleeping on it. So, just like we are holding the things in our hand by using the grip of our finger and thumb, perching birds hold the branch of the tree or whatever the surfaces they are sitting on by using their toes firmly. So here is the answer. Toes of perching birds can be used to grip branches and wires while sitting, just like we use our fingers and thumbs to grip objects. So let's discuss the next question. Question number 6b. What makes birds different from other animals? Sorry, children, birds are very beautiful animals or the creature present on the earth. They are having beautiful colored feathers and they are flying into the air. So these feathers which are present on their body make them different from other animals. Let's see the answer. See here. Birds are unique creatures as they have feathers on their body and can fly in the air. No other creatures or animals, they are having feathers on their body. Okay. Now let's discuss question number 7. That is the project. Children, here is the project idea. See here. Use twigs or sticks to make a nest. Line it with soft material like dry grass, leaves, wool, feathers and straw. Put some white table tennis balls or chocolate eggs to make it look real. So whatever materials are available at your home, okay, just make a small nest out of it and decorate it by using the tennis ball and chocolate egg so that it can look like the bird's nest is there with her eggs in it. Okay, so try to use various materials which are available with you and try to make it look real. Okay, we have already discussed in our first lesson about one of the activity that you are going to plant a small sapling at home and you're going to keep it in your window grills or in your garden. I hope you have done that. Okay, so take good care of that plant. Now come on, let's move towards the question number 8. Our question number 8 is life skills. Rohit and Rahul are good friends. Rohit wants a bird as a birthday gift from his parents. Rahul says that Rohit should not keep a bird locked up in a cage. Why do you think Rahul says so? Children, birds, as like other animals or even just like us, they should live freely in the nature. They should not be kept in the cage because we know that birds are flying around in the air. They are sitting onto the tree branches. They are singing sweet songs, right? They're chirping so nicely. So they should not be kept in the cage. Would we all like to be locked up in a cage? Obviously not, right? So birds should also not locked up in a cage. They should have also given a freedom to fly freely in the air. Otherwise, they will feel sad. So here the answer: if bird is locked up in a cage, it will not able to walk around and fly. Therefore, birds should not be kept in cages. They should be left free to move around and to fly around. Okay. Now let's see the next question. That is question number 9. Value-based activity. Here is the activity they have given to us. After a heavy storm, you find a baby bird in your balcony. Children, just we have experienced a cyclone. What was the name of that cyclone? Nisarga, right? So, in such calamities, when there are the disasters, if any animals they got hurt, we are supposed to take care of them. See here, if after a heavy storm you find a baby bird in your balcony, it has hurt its wings and cannot fly. How do you think you can take care of it? Take the options. Okay, now how we will take care of such birds? Okay, not only the birds but other animals. Okay, if they got hurt and they during the disasters, calamities, during the heavy rainfall, suppose they are taking the shelter in our neighborhood or in our buildings, balconies, etc., we should try to help them out. We should try to take care of that animals. Okay, now see here, three options are given to us. First is put it in a cage. Children, the bird which got hurt, will you keep it in a cage? No, right? So we will not take the option A, that is to put it in a cage. Now see the next option, apply medicine on the hurt area. Yes, we will do this because it will give some relief to the bird. So we will apply medicine on the hurt area. Next is option C, call the animal society to take it away. Yes, this is the better option. Animal society, they are having the equipment, they are having the manpower with them, okay, to take care of these birds or other animals. So we should call them and ask them to take away these animals. So here are the two options we have to, okay. We should be very generous. We should take care of the animals. We should not hurt them. Children, you might have heard about the incident happened right now, the 2-3 days ago. An elephant was died, and how it was died you might have seen in the news channels, okay. So we should not behave like this. We should not hurt animals. They're having the equal right to live on the earth, just like we are living on the earth. Now next is the question number 10, problem solving. Read it properly. One day, while eating grains, a little chickie ate a pea grain by mistake. It got stuck in his throat and he started to cry. The mother hen tried to get the pea out, but her beak was short and she could not reach inside Chickie's throat. So she decided to take help from the neighbor birds. Who do you think will be able to help Chickie and why? Now here are the four neighbors given. One is a parrot, another one is a duck, then eagle and sunbird. Children, just have a look onto their beaks. Okay. Now here you can see the beak of parrot. It's curved, right? Beak of duck is flat, and that of eagle is like a hook. Sunbird, it is having pointed beak, long and pointed beak. Now, what do you think? Which bird can help that chickie? It's obviously the sunbird because it is having long pointed beak which can reach to the throat of a chickie, right? So, sunbird is the correct neighbor, okay, which will help the hen and her chickie. See here the answer. The sunbird will be able to help chickie because it has a long beak that can reach deep inside chickie's throat. Okay. Now come to the next. Children, in your textbook, on page number 40, we are having worksheet. Okay. Now let's solve this worksheet. Okay. See here, match the birds with their beaks. Now duck. Where's the duck beak? It's on number 4. So match it. Number 4. Eagle. That is number 1 with a hooked beak. Parrot having curved beak present on the 2nd position. And sunbird is having long and pointed beak will join here. Okay, so this is the answer for match the birds with their beaks. Okay, now let's move on to the second question of the worksheet. Trace the dotted line and color the bird. Can you identify the bird? Write two features of its beak in the space provided. So children, can you identify this bird? Yes, it is a hoopoe. Write down Hoopoe. Okay, just a minute. I'll write again. Okay, Hoopoe. Okay, it has a dash and dash beak. What kind of beak it is having? It is having long and slender beak. Okay, long and slender beak. Here, slender. Okay, so you have to write these answers and you are supposed to color the picture of bird. Okay, so children, that's it for today. We have completed till now lesson number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, in our next period, next class, we'll start with lesson number 4. Okay, till then, take care. Bye.